I bought this massive box of headphones for £37. Let's take a look inside because I don't actually know what's in here. The box is just to the side. I can't fit it in shot, and I'll reach in and open them on the table for us to see. First up, big chunky boys. Apparently these are Microsoft's own Xbox headphones. There used to be more, but now you can get them for around 15 a pop. A tad dirty, but I like the feel of these. I guess that's the Xbox adapter. Oh no, the right ear doesn't work. I should clarify, these were posted as untested, and the guy said he really doesn't know what he's got. Next up, a box. This is a Turtle Beach Recon. They're a cheap gaming headset maker. Yeah, this is a very cheap model. I think it might be their cheapest. They've even cut off one ear cut to save costs. This must slot in here. A bit hard to get in, but the solution was, like most things, more brute force. Not the prettiest headset in the world, very plasticky. Got a little microphone. Sound is traditional cheap headphone exaggerated bass, but not altogether terrible. Unfortunately, they're only worth about a £5. Ah, looks like a similar one. This one was for PS4 and PS4 Pro, and this is an Xbox one. I assume otherwise it's the same. Oh, this one's black. Foam. I wonder how many more of these we're going to get. Ooh, and another one. Okay, let's just open it to make sure it's there. I'm pretty sure these are all exactly the same. I hope not everything in the box is these. This one's got a wrapping on it as well. Okie dokie. Oh, guess what? Another one. I really hope this doesn't continue. We had this one first, and now we've had 4 of these. Well, another one in its wrapping. Ooh, this one's even more in its wrapping. You've got the wrapping inside the wrapping and the silica. Fancy. Feels like I'm getting a new product here. I might be. They might be virtually new, these. Maybe they're X-Display. The listing gave me almost no information whatsoever except expressing the guy's lack of knowledge about the headphones he's got, so... Quantum 100. Ooh, this one's hard to get into the shot. Oh, this is not Turtle Beach. That's... I never remember if that's UBL or JBL. It's by Harman. They make some good stuff. Well, anyway, I'll try and get a shot of the whole box shortly. These must be a gaming headset as well. Sound is survival, JBL. Okay, let's see what's inside. Ah, they're upside down. I was getting worried for a second. Nice, big over-the-ear ones these are. Gold-plated, 3.5mm jack, bit dusty. Again, a little bit dusty. I am quite excited to try these. Damn it, they don't work in the right ear either. I'm not liking the way this is going. Yep, another one. Oh, this one's a bit different on the back. Looks like the same product, doesn't it? Just slightly different box. This is the other one. Ah, works with the new Xbox. Maybe this is a later model. I never realised I was such a fan of Turtle Beach. Oh wow, this one's even got the plastic on the thing, on the mic. The mic on these work, but seem quite quiet, and it is really close to my mouth. Any closer would trigger my gag reflex, so that doesn't seem great for gaming. Next, a black box. Accent 60. Oh gosh, these are dirty. Ugh. These are mouldy. It's disgusting. I didn't expect to need gloves for this. I can see on the side, I don't know if you can see, just over there, there's a logo, it's KS. I just checked them. The Accent 60 is a Kitsound model, currently available for around 15, so these are going straight in the bin. Guess what we've got? First one, I think, with an instruction manual, unless I missed it in some of the others. I don't know if that's mould now, if that's just dust. Seems to come off. I don't know, maybe these were left in a damp area. I didn't think getting back to Turtle Beach ones would be an improvement, but there we go. Ooh. Ooh. You know what this is? It's Audio Technica. ATH M50BT. If these are working, then the entire box will be worth it. I really hope they're in here. I'm actually nervous now. Again, it's a shame I can't show you the entire box in frame. Okay, if these are not mouldy and they're working, then this entire thing was a good purchase. Ooh. These are a bit broken, aren't they? They're in pieces. These are a really good set of headphones, but broken is not so good. It's also a little bit dirty. I'd say these have been used a bit. That's a shame. It's a real shame, that. Oh well. And to really rub salt in the wound. And that's it. That's the whole box. Oh no, there isn't. There's one more. Oh. The last two to really rub it in. I'm suspecting that I've been fibbed to, misled, and quite possibly bamboozled. I don't believe these were untested at all. I think the guy knew exactly what he was selling, because every set worth more than a couple of quid is broken. Yes, it's there. And yes, it's there. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed and learn from this.